Driving today means dealing with traffic, unexpected incidents, and sometimes unfair accident claims. That's why a reliable dash cam is becoming an essential car accessory. A good dash camera records clear video, protects you with evidence, and adds useful features like GPS tracking, parking monitoring, and night vision. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best car dash cams that offer excellent video quality, smart connectivity, and dependable performance. We researched user reviews and product specs to find the best options available. Check the description for updated prices and links. Let's get started. Number 5. OBDPEAK K2 Pro 11.3-inch Dash Cam. The OBDPEAK K2 Pro is more than just a dash cam. It's a full smart driving screen. Featuring a large 11.3-inch display, it combines a 4K front camera with a dual-lens recording system for wider coverage. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing easy access to navigation, calls, and music while driving. Built-in GPS navigation helps track routes and speed data. With loop recording, clear video capture, and smart dashboard integration, this device works as both a dash camera and multimedia center for modern vehicles. Number 4. AZDOME M550 Pro 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is designed for drivers who want premium recording quality and strong connectivity. It records in crisp 4K resolution and includes built-in GPS for accurate speed and route tracking. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows faster file transfers to your smartphone through the companion app. Advanced night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. With parking monitoring support and rear camera compatibility, this dashcam provides reliable protection for both driving and parked situations. Number 3. The Jansite 10.26-inch Mirror Dash Cam. The Jansite 10.26-inch Mirror Dash Cam blends safety recording with modern infotainment features. It mounts over your existing rearview mirror and records 4K front video while supporting a rear camera for full coverage. The large 10.26-inch touchscreen display supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, turning your mirror into a smart multimedia hub. Built-in GPS tracking records driving data and routes. With its sleek design, wide viewing angles, and smart connectivity, this dashcam upgrades both safety and convenience inside your vehicle. Number 2. Acceo Ultra HD 4K Dashcam. The Acceo Ultra HD Dashcam focuses on dependable recording and strong safety features. It captures sharp 4K video to clearly record license plates and road details. Loop recording automatically overwrites old footage so you never run out of storage space. The 24-hour parking monitoring feature helps protect your vehicle even when it's parked. It also supports an optional 1080p rear camera for dual-channel recording. With Wi-Fi app control, you can easily view, download, or share videos directly from your smartphone. Number 1. DDPAI Z50 Pro 4K Dashcam. The DDPAI Z50 Pro stands out as one of the most advanced dashcams available. It records high-definition 4K front video and supports a rear camera for dual-channel protection. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables quick video transfers and smooth app connectivity. The integrated GPS system records speed and driving routes, while ADAS driver assistance features add extra safety alerts on the road. With 24-hour parking mode and powerful night vision, this dashcam delivers reliable protection and professional-level recording performance. A good dashcam provides security, evidence, and peace of mind while driving. These 5 dash cameras offer excellent video quality, smart features like Wi-Fi and GPS, and reliable parking protection. Whether you want a smart display dashcam or a compact recorder, there's a great option here. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.